In a remote corner of the Indonesian archipelago, on a handful of rugged, volcanic islands, lives a true relic of the ancient world. This is the realm of the Komodo dragon, the largest lizard on Earth. For millions of years, these magnificent creatures have roamed these lands, the undisputed apex predators with no natural enemies. Today, we journey into their world to understand what makes these giant lizards so extraordinary. Welcome to the land of the dragons. The story of the Komodo dragon is a story of isolation. They are found only on 5 islands in Indonesia: Komodo, Rinca, Flores, Gilimotang, and Padar. This limited range is a crucial part of their identity. The harsh, dry, and unforgiving landscape, with its savanna grasslands and monsoon forests, has shaped their evolution. It's a world that seems almost prehistoric, a fitting backdrop for such a legendary animal. Here, they have thrived for millennia, masters of their domain. Visually, the Komodo dragon is nothing short of breathtaking. Adults can reach lengths of up to 10 feet and weigh over 150 pounds. Their bodies are covered in thick, armor-like scales, which are surprisingly varied in color, ranging from dull gray and brown to shades of green and even orange. These scales, known as osteoderms, are reinforced with tiny bones, creating a natural coat of chainmail that offers protection as they move through the dense, thorny undergrowth. Their powerful legs end in long, sharp claws, not just for defense, but for digging burrows and gripping the earth as they patrol their territory. Perhaps their most remarkable feature is their incredible sense of smell. Komodo dragons don't smell with their nostrils like we do. Instead, they use their long, yellow, forked tongue. They flick it out constantly, tasting the air, collecting scent particles. Then, they retract the tongue and press it against a special sensory organ on the roof of their mouth called the Jacobson's organ. This organ analyzes the scent molecules, giving the dragon a detailed picture of its surroundings. By using the 2 forks of its tongue, it can even determine the direction of a scent. This amazing ability allows them to detect food sources from several miles away, a critical tool for survival in this challenging environment. As apex predators, Komodo dragons have a varied diet. They are not picky eaters and will consume a wide variety of animals available on the islands. Their role in the ecosystem is complex. They are not only active pursuers but also vital scavengers. By cleaning up carcasses, they play a crucial role as nature's cleanup crew, helping to keep the island environment healthy and free of disease. This recycling of nutrients is essential for the entire ecosystem, from the smallest insects to the largest herbivores. Their presence ensures a balanced and thriving natural order. The social life of a Komodo dragon is largely a solitary one. Outside of specific breeding periods, adults prefer to live and roam alone. They are territorial animals, and each dragon has its own home range which it patrols regularly. They are most active during the day, often seen basking in the sun to regulate their body temperature, a behavior common to all reptiles. This sunbathing is essential for them to gain the energy needed for their daily activities. Once they've warmed up, they will set off on long patrols across their territory, using their keen senses to survey their island home. The life cycle of a Komodo dragon is a story of survival against the odds. It begins in a nest, where a female lays up to 30 eggs, usually in a large burrow or a nesting mound. After an incubation period of about 8 months, the tiny hatchlings emerge. From the moment they are born, they face a world of challenges. To avoid being seen by larger predators, including other adult Komodo dragons, the young dragons immediately scamper up the nearest tree. For the first few years of their lives, these juvenile dragons live an arboreal existence, high up in the forest canopy. Their smaller size and sharp claws are perfectly adapted for climbing. In the trees, they find safety and a ready source of food, feeding on insects, small lizards, and birds. This treetop phase is a critical survival strategy. After about 4 or 5 years, once they have grown large enough to be less vulnerable, they descend to the ground and begin the terrestrial life of an adult. It's a remarkable transition from a tree-dwelling youngster to a formidable ground-based giant. Despite their status as a top predator, the future of the Komodo dragon is far from secure. Today, they are listed as an endangered species. The primary threats they face are habitat loss and the impacts of a changing climate. Their island homes are shrinking due to human activity, and rising sea levels pose a long-term risk to these low-lying coastal areas. The limited number of breeding females is also a significant concern for the long-term genetic health of the population. Fortunately, immense conservation efforts are underway to protect these living legends. The Komodo National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, was established to safeguard their habitat and the rich biodiversity of the islands. Conservation organizations and the Indonesian government are working together on breeding programs, habitat restoration, and community education initiatives. Scientists are closely monitoring the dragon populations, studying their behavior and genetics to develop more effective conservation strategies. These efforts are a beacon of hope, a promise that we can secure a future for the world's largest lizard. The Komodo dragon is more than just a giant lizard. It is a symbol of wildness, resilience, and the ancient power of nature. From their armor-like skin and forked tongue to their solitary lives and challenging journey from egg to adult, every aspect of their biology is a testament to millions of years of evolution in a unique island world. As we've seen, their survival is now intertwined with our own actions. By supporting conservation efforts, we can ensure that these magnificent dragons continue to roam their island kingdom for generations to come, remaining the undisputed or inspiring masters of their domain. They are a living link to a prehistoric past, and a precious treasure we must protect for the future.